All right, what's going on, guys? So today it is another podcast clip from the Make Money Making Videos podcast. You know the drill. The full podcast is linked down below in the description, just like it is in every single one of these clips. So check it out if you have not already. Great episode featuring my friend Emerrias. Today, we're talking about how to get your foot in as a videographer. I'm talking to him as he has a pretty cool situation set up, as you'll hear, with a big apartment, real estate kind of dude, and he is more or less kind of like a full video person in-house for this guy called the Apartment Rockstar. Pretty interesting situation. I'm asking about it in this clip. Let's do it. Welcome back to the Make Money Making Videos podcast. Like, the first thing I want to know, how did you start working for the Apartment Rockstar? That looks like some official stuff that you got going on. He looks like a big-time CEO, and, it looks awesome, bro. You know what I mean? It looks like a really good gig that you got yourself right there. So how did you start working for the Apartment Rockstar?
Yeah. I mean, it's cool because instead of like having a bunch of different little contracts, now I got just one big thing that's my main focus, you know?
Awesome. Yeah.
Bunch of little projects under one roof. But pretty much, I have a friend who is their water conservation provider. So they replace all their toilets and stuff like that. So they can, if they reduce the cost that they're spending on water, because the department pays for water.
Yep.
If they're doing like a flat rate type of deal. So if they reduce the cost of water, then they make more money, make more bottom line profit. So pretty much, she works for a company that replaces all of that, does all their water conservation stuff.
Yeah.
And then at one point, somebody from Rockstar was like, "Hey, we need somebody to help us set up podcasting equipment."
Oh, nice.
And she immediately recommended me, because I'm documenting a journey over here. She knows what's up. She knows what I'm doing.
Phenomenal.
Yeah. So I went in there, and their podcasting equipment wasn't enough. They bought like a $100 kit from Amazon. It was like a very cheap mic and everything. Mm-hmm. So I recommended him. I was like, "This is what we need right here. This is what we need." And then he was like, "All right, just here's my phone. Put it on Amazon. We'll order it right away."
Yep.
So we ordered it, and then I heard them in the other room, talking about Gary V.
Yep.
Our boy Gary V.
Oh, hell yeah. Believe me, I know, man. I know.
The best entrepreneur around these days.
Mm-hmm.
And I went in there. I was like, "Yo, sorry to bother you, but I heard you guys were talking about Gary V.
Legendary.
Let me be your D-Rock." And he was like, "Hells to the yeah."
Wow, right there. So right there, he was like, "Oh, hell yeah. Sure, let's do it."
Yeah. And then I worked for free a little bit, a couple of videos here and there. And then I showed my talent. And they were like, "Oh, snap. This guy's legit."
Legendary, bro. So how long have you been working with him?
Since November.
Wow. Okay. So, yeah. So like 6 months or something like that.
Yeah. And now I'm just getting into like the full-time stuff. Because before I was balancing school and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Going to school for stuff that doesn't really matter. But now it's a big boy time.
Legendary. Yeah, I saw you graduated the other day or whatever, didn't you?
Yeah. College degree, baby. Let's go.
Hell yeah. So you got your college degree. What were you at there for film or whatever? Or what were you at college for?
No, business, entrepreneurship.
Legendary. Awesome. So how long were you there? Like, how old are you as well?
I'm about to turn 22, boy.
Oh, okay, nice. Yeah,
in 2 days.
Legendary, bro. Legendary
yeah.
indeed. Nice. So you're 22. That's funny, bro. Because like I thought you were just 20. I thought you were my age, bro. Literally. So you're actually a couple years ahead of me. That's awesome. Yeah, because I was thinking you're graduating university or college. Like here they call it university, obviously.
Yeah.
There they call it college. So you've been working how long full time for the Apartment Rockstar?
Like a week. Well, not even a week. I started Monday, pretty much.
So 4 days. It's Thursday right now
Yeah.
when we're recording it, so it'll probably come out Friday. So 4 days, something like that. How long were you freelancing before you landed this gig?
Probably since like sophomore year. So like 3 years.
Okay, awesome.
Freelancing here and there,